Alright everyone, this video is explaining how to center using HTML and CSS, how to center an image. So I just picked this, any old image right here. Let's open up a notepad so anybody can do this and practice anywhere as long as they have the internet. So how to center, let's put that part in a paragraph, start paragraph and end paragraph, so then you can put commands in there. And let's start another paragraph and throw the image in there. The image is coming from my desktop, and I'm going to save this notepad to my desktop so I can go directly to the image. So you start an image like this, and so the image is started now, and I just have to find it, which is demi.png. So now I have a paragraph here, and there'll be a space and another paragraph with the image. So save as to your desktop, put it in the same spot as this. If this is in a folder, put it in that folder. Just make sure it's in the same spot. Save this as an HTML file. So demi center.html, that's important. Save it to your desktop or the same spot. Make sure they're in the same. So this will pop up. There it is. So they're both together. Now you open up a new browser here and drag it right in, and it's calling this image by saying I want an image. Here's the name of it, demi. If I change the name of this demi image on my desktop, -1, and save it, it will not work anymore. Then I have to put -1 right here, control save, refresh, boom. So now if you want to center it, and something could be messing with you up here. If you're surrounded by a div and end div, so your paragraph is inside that div, and this is saying style text -align left. Everything, so this is redundant first of all because everything is already aligned to the left. But everything that's inside this div tag is going to be aligned to the left. So let me just put right just so that you can see it actually did something. Now file, save or control save. So she bumps over to the right, and so doesn't how to center. So if I take this how to center and pull it out of the div, then control save, that part will be on the left. So you have to realize if you're inside something, but either way you can go straight into the paragraph tag, which is on the line inside. You don't want to go inside the image. If you're centering an image inside the image, it doesn't really make sense. You have to center it inside the paragraph. This whole paragraph is here, and it's as wide as the entire screen is, and you're centering it inside of that. So this whole thing is now centered. If there's not a paragraph tag around your image, you could put one in there too, just so that it centers it. But look, it didn't work because the style, this whole thing is right. Oh, wait a minute, hold on, text line right, I'm sorry. It should work. Should still center, even though, so on the outside, the div is saying text align right. So anything that is inside that right will, so this paragraph has no special tag. This one has a special tag, so this one supersedes this div. This whole div, everything is being texted on the right, so I can put this 5 times. It'll still show paragraphs even though I'm not showing them here because it's in a paragraph tag. So look at what happens. All of those are on the right because of this div, but even though the image is inside there, the image has a special tag right on it inside that paragraph, which means this now gets centered. So if you're having trouble centering something, then get right down in the line, whether it's an image or some other object or something else that you're trying to center, even the paragraph itself, get right in there and do it right on the line. That will at least save you in the short term, and then you can figure out the CSS sheet and figure out what is before your paragraph that could be messing with you a little bit later on. But if you're trying to get out of a jam, just get right down there, get on the line, and just get the thing centered so that you can move on. All right, thank you.